Hi guys, I'm Moria and you're watching GloMoNo. So today we are going to make hot and sour chicken soup. Let's see what we need. 250 grams of boneless chicken. It's already cooked. 1 carrot, 50 grams of beans, 50 grams of spring onion, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 capsicum, 2 tablespoons of pepper, finely chopped garlic and ginger, green chilli as per your requirement, corn flour 1 tablespoon and water. First, let's turn on the flame. Here I am using mud pot, which I brought it from India. Now let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now let's add ginger and garlic. Let's add green chili. Now let's mix. If you need more spice, you can add more green chilies. Now let's add 50 grams of chopped beans. Now let's mix it for a few minutes.
Now let's add carrots. Then add capsicum and spring onion. Now it's time to mix. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to put salt. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Okay, now let's mix. Now let's add boneless cooked chicken. And mix. Now let's add chicken stock. Now let's close it and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's pour water into the corn flour. Now let's mix. Now let's pour soy sauce, ketchup and vinegar and mix. Now let's put pepper. Now let's mix. Now let's pour corn flour into our soup. And mix. Now let's pour 1 egg. It's optional. Now let's put coriander leaves for decoration. Now our soup is ready.